Business Industrial Network presents a training course on centrifugal pumps. Let's have a brief overview. Walkarounds. Split-up views. Assembly and dismantling procedures. Working and flow paths. Evaluation of assembly skill. Troubleshooting. Assessment with certificate printout, and so on. Let's explore further. The main index of content. Comprehensive and wide coverage of topics. A graphically supported, extensive, troubleshooting guide. The organization logo and name can be included. A unique feature is the detailed description of pumps, guided by the API 610 classification. Let's walk through a guided tour of the training course. Note: picture resolution in the tour is low, due to content conversion for tour. Let's view the first chapter. A detailed classification, considering various factors. The dynamic, centrifugal pump category. Content is sequentially navigated, giving step-by-step understanding. You can drill down to explanatory graphics and animation. And much more. Back to index. Let's view another category. Animations can be replayed for clarity. And much more. Back to index. Entire content is covered with graphical explanation. Back to main index. The second chapter. An intricate coverage of the principles and basics of centrifugal pump operation. Important concepts. Governing principles. Critical factors. Important operating parameters. Correlation with performance criteria. Back to main index. The next chapter. Detailed description of API 610 pumps. 3 categories, 17 pump types. Category specifications. An OH pump type. A BB pump type. A VS pump type. Back to main index. A test on component assembly. Respective component description, on mouse over. Component is selected. Component is to be placed in the correct location. Similarly, other components are selected and placed. On completion, the assembly is evaluated. Back to main index. A glossary to assist in operation and troubleshooting. Let us view the description of a few terms. Back to main index. A graphically supported troubleshooting guide. Observed failure modes can be selected. An example. Depending on the selection, additional questions may be asked to list out the possible causes. Selecting unsure. Possible causes are listed. Causes can be selected to view related description. Back to symptom list. Another selection. Causes can be selected for summary sheet. Back to main index. Thus, with its wide coverage of content. With walkarounds. Split up views. Assembly and dismantling procedures. Working and flow paths. Evaluation of assembly skill. Troubleshooting. Assessment with certificate printout, and so on. The course will be your comprehensive reference on centrifugal pumps. Your training partner for effective job skill development.